What's the difference between focusing on winning versus focusing on not losing?
I think I spent the first 10 years of Alpine focusing on not losing.
And that's where I got the question from. I'd heard you say before, you focused on not losing people's money rather than trying to create this amazing business and returns. Yeah.
Well, particularly in investing, typically your goal in investing, I use the term in my speech of asymmetric outcomes, where you can put in $1 and have this infinite number of dollars you're making. When I first started investing, I would invest $1 and focus on how do I not lose $1. I like to tell the story. I had 3 times in my life where I wrote in an investment memo that it was mathematically impossible to lose money on this deal because it had like asset coverage, or we were going to cash flow out of contracts in a certain number of years. All 3 times we lost money. And so playing for the protecting the downside just did not work. And then I started realizing you can build an entire career off of one good investment. What if every investment you're making has this crazy unlimited extra upside? Now, we're not venture capitalists, we're buying existing companies, so we have to manufacture that. But what if there's no upper bound on the outcome of this business because there's lots of companies we can add to it? There's a huge market. There's, we can do lots of add-on acquisitions. We can solve certain problems. So there's almost unlimited potential for that business. And what if every time we're investing $1, we have that upside, and, given fund, we have 10 companies and 3 of them hit on every single metric, we're going to be one of the best performing firms in the world. And conversely, if you're investing in things where there's a capped upside, you need kind of every single thing to go right always, which, by the way, will never happen. So that mindset, I think, is exactly the mindset that I started having for my own life. So I started realizing, okay, that mathematically makes sense for investing. But what if that's your life? What if you're putting yourself and your life into these things that have unlimited upside, that you're playing for the win, you're looking for adventure, you're going where you have energy, you're going where things that are going to be goals that you're super excited about. What if you just did that in your life too? And I think that asymmetry is even more applicable in your life than it is in investing.